I did that thing again where I started the live stream, but I forgot to press. There's a button that even though my screen is sharing and I'm doing everything, and it says recording, I have to actually click go live on YouTube. So this whole time I wasn't even live, and I'm almost actually finished with my Outlook. But you know, hope you guys can hear me. Let me know in the chat if you can hear me. If you know, for those of y'all that are on here live. But today's March 11th, 2024. Had a great week so far, a great month so far, right? March started off, and our expectations on DXY were to see DXY trade back up to this key level from February, and then to sell off to this key level here also from January, which was an imbalance, and we did see that go ahead and play out last week perfectly. All right, so now my anticipation is that I want to see bullishness on DXY from here. Even if it's potential that we're going to see DXY actually go bearish, I do want to see a response from here, okay? And when I say response, at least bringing us up into these levels, right? Up, to the highs of this red box. I would love to see that. And then I can pay attention to potentially looking for the sells. But given that we're at that key level, I do want to see us get down below this weekly open one more time. Could see them going ahead and running out these lows here, right, from Monday's lows. But I don't see them going any lower than these wicks here on the 4-hour time frame. Do want to see them trade down to that and respect that, and then go ahead and look for opportunities back to the upside. Now that they've ran this area, came down into this key level, gave us a higher high. Now it's time to go ahead and set, get out these people who got in early, and then actually see them, continue to the upside. So that's my thoughts on DXY. Like I said, for right now, I do want to see that bullishness taking us on a continued route, and I'm looking to see this consolidation here that we've been in since the end of 2022. I'm looking to see it end, no cap. I would love to see a bullish month of March on DXY, but I could be wrong, so we're going to see how price responds at these key levels. But I do expect bullishness tomorrow, or at least the bullish manipulation with CPI tomorrow, okay? Because we do have CPI tomorrow morning, 8:30 a.m. And we also have German CPI during London, and we're going to be having the 10-year note on 1 p.m. tomorrow, and the 30-year bond auction on Wednesday tomorrow. Okay, so that's going to have a lot of impact on the indices market, and it's pretty much high impact news events every day, right? Thursday we're going to have core retail sales and PPI. Friday we're going to have New York Empire State import export. So it's a lot of excuses for the markets to, be volatile and see some liquidity moving through the market this week. All right, here on the bonds market, again, we were expecting to see them trade up to this daily fair value gap, and we've seen that objective be met today on our live session. I wanted to see price consolidate, give a lower low, trade back up, and reject off this 4-hour imbalance. Okay. Right, because this was an imbalance here in the past. They broke below it. I want to see them respect that and continue to fall. And as of right now, we are getting some rejection there. All right, so that's what I would like to see on bonds. And as long as those two things are correct, DXY goes bullish, bonds goes bearish, I'll be able to look for what I potentially see happening here on NASDAQ. But if I'm wrong, we'll have to reevaluate, right? But, looking at NASDAQ and, indices in general, what I was explaining is that we are at all-time highs, and we do know that the market is bullish, okay? We do know that. However, just based on the timing and the things that I'm explaining, I do think it is an opportunity for us to see a deeper retracement here on indices. Okay, so what I'm interested in, what I'm paying attention to, was today. We wanted to see them run this sell side liquidity. I mean, the week just started, so I would love a fake out to the upside of the week, and then go ahead and see price actually break down to the downside, right? So today on Monday, we saw price run the lows here of London session, as well as the lows from Friday and Thursday. Saw them go ahead and run those lows, and then we got a higher high back here to the upside, came back, respected this key level, and now we've expanded even higher. All right, so now from here, I don't really expect for them to trade back below this level. This might be one of those rare times where NASDAQ actually flies here during an Asian session. I don't know if I'm about that life though, right? So the idea is that going into New York tomorrow, we'll see if we've reached this level. If not, we may be able to participate in buys to get up there still, right? If not, then realistically, we're going to be looking for the sell opportunities. Like I said, if dollar has already ran out those lows and shown willingness to actually go back to the upside. All right, so that's going to be what I'm looking for here. For those that you guys that are not aware, our Discord server is free. You have access to our live sessions Tuesday through Friday at the moment, right, for a short period of time. But right now, we just want to help as many people as possible, especially with this Forex to futures transition happening. I've been able, and we've been helping members of our server and of our community to switch over to the futures market and make an easy transition. I've been trading in the futures market for about 2 weeks now, after trading Forex and cryptos for about 5 years. And the transition has been very easy. I've been able to get funded with a few different funded accounts with props and already make a withdrawal. So next thing I'll be working on is actually funding my own live account. And I'm looking to try out that system so that I can relay that message back. All right. But, for those of y'all that need any help, or you like this video and you got value, please leave, a comment below, subscribe to the channel, leave a like. And you can either ask in the comments if you're not able to access the free server and you like to access the free server, or the link is in our description and on our page on our YouTube channel. So appreciate you guys, and yeah.